Bienvenidos! Today we will learn about the indefinite articles in less than 4 minutes. Indefinite articles in Spanish is called artículos indefinidos. In Spanish, there are 4 indefinite articles: un, una, unos, unas. Un and una mean or earn. Unos and unas mean some or a few. In Spanish, it is a bit more complicated because there are different words depend on if the noun is masculine or feminine. Un is used for singular masculine noun. Una is used for singular feminine noun. Unos is used for plural masculine noun. Unas is used for plural feminine noun. In Spanish, there are 2 uses of indefinite articles. The first is when we refer to a non-specific person, place, or thing. The second use is when we mention something for the first time. So now, let's look at some examples. For singular masculine nouns, we will use un, and we can make them to plural by using unos. For example, un libro. Un libro, a book. The plural would be unos libros. Unos libros, some books. Un amigo. Un amigo, a friend. Unos amigos. Unos amigos, some friends. Un gato. Un gato, a cat. Unos gatos. Unos gatos, some cats. For feminine noun, we are going to use una for singular and unas for plural. For example, una vaca. Una vaca, a cow. Unas vacas. Unas vacas, some cows. Una mesa. Una mesa, a table. Unas mesas. Unas mesas, some tables. Una casa. Una casa, a house. Unas casas. Unas casas, some houses. So here I have some practice sentences of which you can guess if you use un, una, unos, or unas. And you can see by the words in English on the right what the translation of the words are, and also if it is singular or plural. So please pause this video right now if you want to practice, and then press play again, and in a couple of seconds I will show you the answers. Alright, these are the answers. That is the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoy with this lesson, and I will see you next time. Adiós. Hasta luego.